Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys touch and vibration setting and sound and vibration setting in your Infinix phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off your tap sound. Guys, when you tap any button and guys any icon guys and guys you can see that this sound. So you want to off this sound, so guys you can off it. And guys now let's see how to off this tap sound in your Infinix phone. In this video guys, I will show you friends. So guys now let's see how to off it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. To off this tap sound means guys touch sound. Then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your sound and vibration settings. So guys tap here and guys scroll it, and guys you can see your touch sound guys. Here touch sound, tap here and guys come back. Then guys you can see guys when you will touch your button and your screen icon, so guys this sound will not work in your Infinix phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please comment, like my video.